Mustang Coupe.
And that's a Plymouth, what is that, Ed? Plymouth
Sport Fury.
Sport Fury, that's a rare car.
One of the longest production cars ever made.
Really?
Yeah.
But it's still somewhat rare, right? I mean, I haven't seen these. Not that I am an expert on seeing every car, but you know what I mean. This is gray painted top. Is that stock, do you know? Or that was a vinyl top? That was a vinyl top. And they painted it gray. Yeah, because look, it's got the runners. It's still got the runners for the vinyl top, I think. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. You guys that know the car, you'll correct me. But that is an $18,000 paint job. So I'm going to get real tight on the paint to give you guys a sense of excellent. There's always body work. That doesn't mean that there's not metal, but you always need. See how the lights cascade over the hood without any ripple. I'm guilty of. I have a couple of my cars had ripple. I'll just say it right now.
Priced at $31,000.
So you're basically buying a paint job, and the car's a bonus. Because at that price,
you're getting all that car for 13 grand.
Did you say? No, 31 grand.
It's 31
You
grand.
said 13 grand.
No, it's 31.
What do you say to me?
The price is $31,000. It's got an $18,000 paint job on it. So you're getting the car for 13.
Oh, you're good, Ed. You are good. Here's the paint again. Look, you can even see fingerprints on it. Somebody touched it. Oh, I just touched it. Sorry. This is not a please touch museum. This is a museum / consignment car, no touch. When you come here, if you're gonna bring your kids, you probably want them to be pretty mature because you don't want them running around touching the cars. It'll be not a good experience for you. Letting that happening, but look at the paint on this car. See again? Watch, I'm panning across. See how smooth that is? That indicates a beautiful paint job. Look at that. That's the advantages of lights. And sometimes you can bring your own light bar when you're looking at a car. If it's, you know, under a tree or in a garage or something, and that's a good way to see any imperfections in paint. And I don't see any on this car at all.